Hello everyone, I am Bhagyashri. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to share 3 kitchen decor DIY which you can decorate on dining table. So let's start with our first DIY, which is decorative chef. Here I am using 2 clay matki. For pasting this matki, I am going to use white emsil. We can also use here molded clay. Now here I am going to do 3D work with white emsil. Let it dry for 4 to 5 hours. After drying it, I am going to color it with acrylic colors. Now here our cute chef is ready for cooking. Let's switch on to our next DIY, which is clay matki planter. Here I am using medium size clay matki. I am going to decorate it by painting on it. Here I am drawing elephant motif, then coloring it with acrylic color. Now here our beautiful mini planter is ready to decorate. Let's switch on to our next DIY, which is tissue paper holder. Here I am using cardboard box, drawing fish shape on it. Now here our basic shape is ready. For making it more sturdy, I am going to add some extra layer of cardboard. Here I am pasting brown paper on the edges for making it more even. Now coloring it with teal blue shade of acrylic color. Now here I am going to add some design elements on this. Here I am using golden acrylic color to highlight this fish. Now here our beautiful tissue paper holder is ready. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.